Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block messages on iPhone. So first you tap on settings and then you scroll down to messages, and then you scroll down to the bottom, and there it says block account so there's block contact, and then there's all of my block numbers. And to add new, just tap on add new, and then you could tap on the number you want to block, and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.